When your cauliflower, cabbage, or broccoli plants reach about 10 to 12 inches long, there's a crucial set of steps you should follow to boost their growth. Stick around, because the third tip is the most important, and you don't want to miss it. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to stay updated with all our gardening tips and tricks. The first thing you need to do is remove any weed plants growing around your vegetables. Weeds are sneaky. They might seem harmless, but they compete with your plants for essential resources like water, nutrients, and sunlight. If weeds are left to grow, they can easily take over and starve your cauliflower, cabbage, or broccoli plants, stunting their growth. By pulling them out, you're making sure that your vegetables have all the space and resources they need to thrive. Plus, it also improves airflow around the plants, reducing the chances of diseases caused by too much moisture. So, get rid of those weeds as soon as you spot them. Now, the second thing is really important: mounting soil around the base of your plants. At this stage, the stems of your plants are still delicate, and providing extra support helps them stay upright and strong as they grow taller. You can simply mound some soil around the base of the plants, but if you have some fully decomposed compost, even better. Not only does it help to stabilize the plants, but it also adds vital nutrients to the soil. Compost works wonders by improving the soil structure, making it easier for the roots to absorb water and nutrients. It also helps to retain moisture, which is crucial for preventing the plants from drying out too quickly. So, whether you're using soil or compost, make sure to mound it up around the stems. Your plants will thank you for the added support and nutrients. Now, here's the third and most important tip: providing a slow-releasing fertilizer. If you used compost to mound the stems, you don't need to add any more fertilizer at this point, as compost releases nutrients slowly over time. But if you used regular soil, adding a slow-release fertilizer is key to keeping your plants fed as they continue to grow. Fertilizers like bone meal are excellent choices because they release nutrients gradually, ensuring that your plants get a steady supply without being overwhelmed. Bone meal is particularly rich in phosphorus, which is essential for root development, helping your plants establish a strong foundation. What's great about slow-release fertilizers is that they feed your plants over an extended period, meaning you won't have to fertilize as frequently. This is especially useful if you're busy and can't constantly monitor your garden. Plus, it reduces the risk of over-fertilizing, which can damage your plants or cause them to grow too quickly, leading to weaker stems and less robust vegetables. By using a slow-releasing option like bone meal, you're ensuring that your cauliflower, cabbage, or broccoli plants get the right amount of nutrients they need to thrive without any sudden nutrient spikes. So, to recap, the first thing you want to do is clear out any weeds to prevent competition and improve airflow. The second is to mound soil or compost around the stems to give them support and extra nutrients. And finally, the third and most crucial step is to provide a slow-releasing fertilizer like bone meal if you didn't use compost. These steps will help your plants grow strong and healthy, giving you the best possible harvest. Remember, if you follow these steps, you'll see a big difference in your plants. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more gardening tips. We have tons of videos on fertilizers, sprays, and everything you need to grow your best garden yet. Share this video with fellow gardeners and make sure to hit that like button